Oh my goodness.
Now what's
We're over here in Savannah Creek. This whole neighborhood was flooded. This is right behind Bear Creek. Diane and I are just cruising the neighborhood. Oh my God, look down there. Oh my gosh. This is just unbelievable.
All the laminate flooring.
Unbelievable. Okay, now we're in Bear Creek on the back side, going down Fox Springs. Oof. Oh. There's my friend's house right there. It's Patty's house.
Air and water. Cleanup and restoration, that's who you call.
Oh God, oh my
Put
goodness.
that in your...
Okay, now we're just driving down Fox Springs on the back side of Bear Creek.
Look at all the drywall that's already been pulled out.
Just thank God we had her kept. I almost got rid of mine. I really did. Keep your flood insurance because you never know.
Stanley's.
Look at the water line on these houses.